Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we understood how do we manipulate the columns by using select and select expression methods. And we understood how do we add the literals and how do we select one column, multiple columns and all those things. As a part of this lecture, we'll try to understand the transformations at a very, very high level. If we look at any of the transformations, pay attention here. Any of the transformations can be looked at as a part of this particular lecture. So we'll see them at a high level. Assuming this is a data frame. I'm just writing this as a data frame. DF is nothing but a data frame. Now that you have a data frame, you can do multiple things with the data frame. First and foremost thing is either you can remove the rows or you can remove the columns. You may be thinking, is that a transformation? Yes, it is. When you have a data frame, you may want to remove the rows or you may want to remove the columns as well. So that is one of the transformation. Next transformation is either you can take a row, assuming that this is a row, right? Either we can take a row and make that as a column or take a column and make that as a row. That also we can do. That is one kind of transformation. Do we have a use case for this? Yes, we do have many use cases when we want to handle the multiple data sets as a part of our data engineering or data analysis. Now that we removed a column or a row, we can either add a row or add a column also. That is one more transformation. Now that we understood we can remove or add or we can transform, there is a use case to sort the data by columns as well. We have a columns, we can sort the data by columns. That also can be done. That is one of the transformations. The next thing is you can sort the data by rows also. Let us say you have multiple rows like this, you can sort them by rows also. If you look at any of the transformations, more or less they will boil down to either adding a column or adding a row or removing a column or removing a row or transforming one row into a column or column into a row, or you are sorting the data by rows or by the columns. Thank you.